Okay. Good morning, boys and parents. We are going to read Pete the Cat this morning. And I'm Mrs. Coffle. So here we go. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking his red shoes on his four furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. See how Pete has his school bag, lunchbox, and his four red shoes. Let's turn the page. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is on the sidewalk waiting for the bus to take him to school. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where's Pete going? We have to turn a page to see. The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. His favorite, he finds his favorite book and he sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Let's see what this cat is up to on the next page. Wow, the looks of things, I can pretty much guess where Pete has gone to. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Let's turn a page and see where this cat has gone. The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and he sings his song. You see how Pete is ready to eat? And he has his milk. Milk is good for you. Let's turn a page. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. And seemed like Pete made such a mess on the table. You see, he has his goldfish crackers all over the table. He knocked over his lunchbox. Thank goodness he didn't spill his milk. Let's turn the page and see what this cat is up to next. He seems to be very, very busy. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and he sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. Let's turn the page and see what's going to happen next. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. And see right here, boys, he even wrote the word cat. C-A-T. And then he paint, look like a dinosaur maybe. And he's got his friends and they playing their instruments. And he's at the chalkboard and he's doing his math. Okay, let's turn the page again. Here's the school bus. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home, just like you would have. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow." The end. I hope you boys enjoyed my reading, and we will ask some questions on our next slide. Thank you.